Hello all, welcome to Global Online University. As you all know, your UGC NT and NET May examination is starting from 2nd of May and it will go to 17th of May. Only more than a month is left for your examination. This examination is of two parts, paper 1 and paper 2. Here, paper 1 plays a very important role. Many students face difficulty with this. So here in this video, I am going to tell you what are the tips and how you can score maximum marks with paper 1 and how our channel can help you score more marks with this. So paper 1 is common for all the students of all the subjects, so the difficulty level is little higher. You need to give extra attention to this. So first, starting with the tips for UGC NET paper 1. To understand the syllabus, new topics have been added recently like Indian logic and policies and governance, and the kind of questions that have been asked has changed. So you should know the syllabus, only then you will be able to score more marks in paper 1. Also, try to find out in which topics you are lacking. For instance, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and many students face difficulty with mathematical reasoning as well. So DI and LR specifically, they are a little difficult. So you should find out what is your weakness in the examination. Divide your plan in a way so that you give proper time to paper 1 and paper 2 as well. You should study through notes. See, there are various books available in the market for paper 1, but when you study through notes, because books are very vast, they have numerous enormous amount of information, so study through short notes. Keep solving previous year's papers. So previous year's papers, they get to they help you to know what are the kind of questions are being asked, what is the pattern that are followed. Sometimes there are so many information in the books or on the internet, so you don't know what to study. So when you see the previous year's papers, you get to know how are the kind of questions that are being asked. Okay, revise thoroughly. Sometimes you study things, but you do not, if you do not revise it, you will not remember it in the examination. So keep revising it, study the notes continuously. You have to maintain your time management. See, paper 1 is of 100 marks and paper 2 is of 200 marks, so both are important. You should divide your time in a way that you don't give all the time to paper 1 only, or you are giving all the time to paper 2 only. Divide it in a way that you give equal weightage to both the papers. Okay, so the first final is boost your confidence. How to increase your confidence level? For that, here at Global Online University, we have started a new batch for on our WhatsApp group for paper 1, which is starting from tomorrow itself. This group In this WhatsApp group, we will be providing you 40 tests every day. The test is going to be at 8 p.m. and we will be providing the solution PDF at 9 p.m. So these tests help you to practice will fetch you more marks. As you all know that this examination is of 1 hour. In 1 hour you need to do 50 questions. So the more you practice, the more you will be able to do well in the examination. And most importantly, previous year's papers are very important. So here in our channel, we have brought for you previous year's papers from 2010 to 2019 in exam form. It means you can solve, you can mark these options, and then you can see how much you are scoring. So these tests, I would like to tell you, they help you analyze what are your weak areas, what are your strong areas. So where you are lacking, and in the topics that you are doing well, you should keep revising. But the topics, if you are, some students are not good at logical reasoning. So when you give these tests, it lets you know which topic is weak. Also, in this package, we provide you video lectures, complete theory lecture for all 10 units, and video lectures through MCQs on all these units. There is also ebook. So students, they struggle with short notes. As I told you over here that short notes are very important. So here we have made short notes for you. in the form of ebook. There will be additional 1000 practice MCQs for you all. So 40 test means 2000 MCQs. You also have previous year's papers and extra 1000 practice MCQs. So if you are interested in joining, this is the WhatsApp number you can contact. The fees is just 999. Here in our WhatsApp group, you can put up queries, you can find people of the same paper too as well. You can ask any kind of doubts. Also, we have our WhatsApp app. So the same tests are present on app as well. Students who are interested in joining the app, they can download it from Global Online University app. One more information here I would like to tell you, that we are going to start a mock test, video mock test every day from 2nd of April. So from April, every day at 8 a.m. in the morning, you will get these mock tests to help you score better. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts and queries, do write it down in the comment section. We will also be meeting like every day. There is a live lecture of mine at 9 p.m. So we'll meet tomorrow at 9 p.m. and we'll study ICT. Okay. Bye.